Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to print all the duplicates in the input string. Let's look at the problem statement. Write an efficient C program to print all the duplicates and their counts in the input string. Let's look at the solution. Let the input string be Geeks for Geeks. Construct the character count array from the input string. Count of E equal to 4, count of G equal to 2, and count of K equal to 2. Then print all the indexes from the constructed count array which have value greater than 0. Let's have a look at the implementation. First, we create a count array of size 256 and fill count of every character in it. We call the fillCharCounts function, in which we traverse through the string and accordingly increment the count of every character of the string. Now our count array is filled. Now we will print the characters having count more than 0. Then we traverse through the count array and check if count of I is greater than 1. We print the index, that is the character, and its count. The time complexity of this solution is order n, as we have only single loops for traversal. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.